Bourek. Beef stuffed pastry rolls. A side dish from Algeria. Serves 2. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Heat 1 tablespoon of the oil in a skillet, add the onion and stir-fry over moderate heat for 2 minutes. Add the beef, salt and pepper and stir-fry for 5 minutes. Add the egg and parsley and fry for 1 minute more. Take 1 phyllo sheet and spread it out flat with a short end nearest you. Place 2 heaping tablespoons of the beef mixture 2 inches in from the short edge. Fold both long sides in toward the middle, beginning with the short end. Roll the phyllo to shape a pack of 4 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. Set aside. Put the balance of the oil in a skillet over moderate/low heat and add the rolls. Brown on both sides for about 3 minutes. Step 4. The low heat prevents the very thin with a squeeze of lemon juice from burning. Drain the rolls on paper towels for a minute. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.